Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can set the triggers for the SMS bot. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account and open the SMS bot that you would like to set the trigger for. And in the SMS bot settings, you will get the third option of triggers. You will get two options here, bot trigger and the Chatflow trigger. So let's discuss both of them one by one. First is the bot trigger. If any of the customer wants to restart the conversation again with the bot, so they can simply type which keyword they should type that it should restart the conversation, that I can configure from here. So I will add the keyword like restart for restarting the chat flow and the keyword like live chat for the live chat, and that's totally up to you. You can have any word over here, any keyword that you would like to add, you can surely add it from here. Next thing is the chat flow trigger. In case if I want to trigger a particular chat flow based upon the keyword that customer have typed. So let's say I have a keyword of live, okay, and what it should be the exact live as I have written here, or the customer should contain that word of live. And over here I get an option which flow should be triggered in case if the customer type this particular keyword. So I can configure. As of now, I only have one flow in this account, so I will be able to select this. If I create like 4 or 5 flows, so I will get all the flows listing over here only, and I can choose any flow. So if the customer type this particular trigger, this keyword, the customer will be automatically transferred to that particular chat flow. And I will simply click on add, and this chat flow trigger has been activated for me. Similarly, I can add more triggers from here, and according to the configuration that I will do here, the chat flow will work fine. So this is how the chat flow triggers works and the bot trigger works for the SMS bot. That's all about this video. If you have any queries for the same, please do reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Bye.